Should I buy crypto or stocks? That's the question everyone's asking. Crypto is no longer niche. Bitcoin is in the spotlight, Ethereum is in ETFs, and the biggest players on Wall Street are all in. Big money isn't just watching. BlackRock, Fidelity, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, they're all making moves in crypto. Crypto is no longer just magic internet money. But does that mean you should ditch stocks? Or is this all just hype? Let's find out. Here's why crypto is so magnetic. Firstly is the speed of growth. Stocks might take years to move 50%. Bitcoin could do it in a single month. That's why people chase it. It feels like compounding on fast forward. Second is the accessibility. You don't need $10,000 to start. You can buy $10 worth in 10 seconds. And unlike stocks, crypto trades 24/7. No market close sign, no waiting for Monday morning. Thirdly is ownership and control. With stocks, your broker is always the middleman. With crypto, if you use a cold wallet, you are the bank. Nobody can freeze your account. Nobody can dilute your supply. That's financial sovereignty stocks can never give you. Sounds unbeatable, right? Well, not so fast. Crypto comes with some trade-offs most people can't stomach. Firstly is volatility. Bitcoin's annual volatility runs around 60 to 70%. The S&P 500, 15%. That means every win comes with gut punch crashes. Can you handle waking up to see your portfolio down 30% overnight? The second trade-off is with speculation and altcoins. The big cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum are maturing. But everything else, that's where it gets risky. Altcoins are basically any cryptocurrency that isn't Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are thousands of smaller coins, most created to solve niche problems or just ride hype. But here's the truth. Altcoins are lottery tickets. 99% eventually crash to zero. Sure, you'll hear stories about someone turning 500 into millions, but the graveyard is full of losers you never hear about. The third trade-off is you are responsible. A cold wallet gives you control, but also full responsibility. Lose your keys, it's gone forever. Send it to the wrong address, it's gone. No reset password, no customer support. And even if you buy Bitcoin through an ETF, you don't own Bitcoin. You own shares in a fund. Convenient, but not true self-custody. Now compare that to stocks. Stocks are boring, but boring is undefeated. The S&P 500 has compounded at 8 to 10% annually for over a century. It survived world wars, depressions, inflation, and tech revolutions. It doesn't promise fireworks, but it does promise durability. Stocks are the escalator. They move slower, steadier, and almost never break down. So if you look at them side by side, one is the tortoise, one is the hare. So the question isn't which one is better, it's which ride can you actually stay on without bailing halfway. So, should you buy crypto or stocks? Here's the truth. If you want a foundation for long-term wealth, buy stocks. If you want to accelerate and can stomach the swings, buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you're playing with altcoins, treat it like Vegas. Only gamble with what you can lose. The smartest play is to use both. Build the base with stocks. Add Bitcoin and Ethereum as your growth engine. And leave the rest for fun money. Because the wealthy don't pick sides, they pick systems. Stocks for stability, crypto for acceleration, altcoins for entertainment. And here's the real truth. It's not crypto that makes you rich. It's not stocks either. It's discipline. And discipline compounds faster than any asset class on earth.